Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. Today we're going to look at a mixture problem. Mixture problems give people a lot of anxiety, but they shouldn't. So your first step whenever you see you have a mixture problem is to draw those buckets. So mixture, you have one bucket that you're mixing with a second bucket. So you're going to add those together and they have to equal that third bucket. Then we're going to go to the actual word problem and fill in what we know about each of these buckets. So a solution contains 3% salt. We'll make that our first one. So we have 3% salt. How much water should be added to 20 ounces of this solution? Well, this solution is referring to that initial solution of 3% salt. So we have 20 ounces of that. So I'm going to write 20 inside. And we're asked how much water should be added. So that means we're adding water. So the second bucket is going to be water. And how much salt is in water? 0% salt. So that's 0% salt. And we're trying to find out how much water to add. So this will be our variable, which will make x. So we know that we have 20 ounces of 3%, and we want to know how much, or x, of 0%, also called water, do we need to mix together to get a 1.2% solution. So we know that we need to end with 1.2%. Now, how much liquid is in this last bucket? Well, first we put in 20 ounces, and then we put in X ounces. So total in this last bucket, we have 20 plus X ounces. Now, these buckets all give us an equation. We have 3% at 20 ounces, so 3 times 20, or 20 ounces of 3%. Remember, of means multiply. And we have X ounces of 0%, and we have 20 plus X ounces of 1.2%. Now we're going to start distributing and simplifying. So distribute the 3. 3 times 20 is 60. Plus 0 times x is just 0. Equals, distribute the 1.2. 1.2 times 20 is 24. Plus 1.2 times x, which is 1.2x. Now we're going to simplify that left-hand side, which is 60 equals 24 plus 1.2x. Now we need to start combining our like terms and isolating that x. So we're going to subtract 24 from the right-hand side and slowly get x by itself. So on the left we have 60 minus 24, which is 36. Equals, well, 24 minus 24 canceled out. So we just have 1.2x on the right, or 36 equals 1.2x. And to solve for x, we have to divide by 1.2. So divide both sides by 1.2. We're left with x on the right-hand side, and 36 divided by 1.2 is 30. So x, remember above, represented how many ounces of water we need. So we know we need 30 ounces of water.